Question number 1. Who is the current IG of New Railways Police? A. Faisal Shakar. B. Enam Ghani. C. Rawa Sardar Ali Khan. D. None of these. The correct answer is option C. Rawa Sardar Ali Khan. Question number 2. Who is the current IG of Punjab Police? A. Faisal Shakar. B. Enam Ghani. C. Rawa Sardar Ali Khan. D. None of these. The correct answer is option A. Faisal Shakar. Question number 3. Who becomes the first Pakistani woman to climb K2? A. Anita Kareem. B. Samina Beg. C. Mahira Khan. D. None of these. The correct answer is option B. Samina Beg. Question number 4. Who is the current ambassador of Pakistan to Switzerland? A. Qazi Muhammad. B. Amir Shaukat. C. Ali Mahmood. D. None of these. The correct answer is option B. Amir Shaukat. Question number 5. Who is the current chairman of NAB? A. Aftab Sultan. B. Qamar Zaman Chowdhury. C. Abdul Rauf. D. Justice, retired, Javed Iqbal. The correct answer is option A. Aftab Sultan. Question number 6. What is total outlay of the federal budget of 2022-23? A. 8.4 trillion. B. 9.5 trillion. C. 0.9 trillion. D. 8.5 trillion. The correct answer is option B. 9.5 trillion. Question number 7. MNA Dr. Amir Liaquat Ali Khan was died on? A. 9th of June 2022. B. 10th of June 2022. C. 8th of June 2022. D. Still alive. The correct answer is option A. 9th of June 2022. Question number 8. How many Pakistani are currently member of the list of Cricket Hall of Fame? A. 8. B. 7. C. 6. D. 5. The correct answer is option C. 6. Question number 9. Who is the current IG of Sindh Police? A. Ghulam Nabi Memon. B. Mushtaq Mir. C. Dr. Kaleem Imam. D. None of these. The correct answer is option A. Ghulam Nabi Memon. Question number 10. PTI Long March towards Islamabad for the country's battle for real freedom was on? A. 25th of April 2022. B. 20th of April 2022. C. 25th of May 2022. D. None of these. The correct answer is option C. 25th of May 2022. Question number 11. Largest tea importer of the world is? A. Africa. B. Pakistan. C. India. D. Bangladesh. The correct answer is option B. Pakistan. Question number 12. Who is the current State Minister of Power Division? A. Ghuram Dastagir Khan. B. Muhammad Hashim Notzai. C. Umar Ayub Khan. D. None of these. The correct answer is option A. Ghuram Dastagir Khan. Question number 13. The most recent Pakistani to summit Mount Everest in the month of May 2022 is? A. Abdul Joshi. B. Shiroz Kashif. C. Ali Safdar. D. Samina Beg. The correct answer is option A. Abdul Joshi. Question number 14. Who is the current IG of National Highways and Motorway Police? A. Khalid Mahmood. B. Aladino Hawaja. C. Enam Ghani. D. None of these. The correct answer is option A. Khalid Mahmood. Question number 15. Who is the current Federal Minister of Communication? A. Azad Mahmood. B. Israr Tareen. C. Abdul Wasay. D. None of these. The correct answer is option A. Azad Mahmood. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos and updates, click the shown link and increase your knowledge. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates.